like really was all the extra stuff you guys are adding to it, which is great. We definitely are going to take it. We've already paid and are taking advantage of the monthly one-on-ones, but we can't wait to see what else you guys have coming. One of the things that I make sure we do for every single one of our 215 employees is that everybody has at least every other week, if not once a month, if they're out in the field, where we meet with them, see how they're doing. It's a check-in. We do it for a couple different reasons. First of all, to see how things are going, see how we can support them, but also just to see what things we should be doing better or differently. So ours has been very manual. So it used to be on paper years ago, a couple of years, not that long ago, like 2 years ago. We now have it on spreadsheets with tabs for every single person. Well, we have 215 employees, and we now have 4 different we have 55 salespeople. So it's like, it's a nightmare. And to manage it, and we're getting them on all different, and then our HR person had to save them in every person's file. So it's just, this is going to be a huge time saver for us. I've noticed, like, hey, I haven't seen so-and-so's one-on-one oh, I forgot, they're new. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So someone has been with our company for 90 days and hasn't had a one-on-one yet. So, I mean, that's rare, because I actually, and I can't wait, because I, as our corporate culture officer, I also meet with them at 30 and 90 days, just as like an outside person, just to say, hey, doing a great job, keep it up. I think this is going to be a game changer for us, especially, and we think, don't tell anyone, we think the price is pretty good too. So don't raise the prices on us, but we didn't think it was a bad deal.